everyone, this is Sabu's Playtime and today we're going to make cream of chicken soup. The ingredients are, we need some beans, carrot. If that is optional, we have to cut it into small pieces. 1 cube butter, pepper, salt and Maggi chicken cube, okay? And chicken, we have to make it paste, and the ginger garlic paste, 2 tablespoon maida, 1 cup milk and 2 cups of water. First we have to put the butter, let it melt. Okay, it's melting. Let's add ginger garlic paste. Okay, let's mix it up. Let's add the maida. Okay, now it's done. Okay, let's add the milk. Let's add the water. And let's add the vegetable. Okay. Next, let's add the chicken cube into this. Let's add the chicken into this. Okay. Now let's add the pepper and salt. Okay. Now let's mix it up. Now the soup is ready. If you like my video, please like and subscribe. Bye.